Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Check this out. We got a 72 Plymouth Duster with a factory sunroof. How rare is that? This car just finished a rotisserie restoration. Every inch of the body, top to bottom, trunk compartment, engine compartments painted as glossy as the car. It's a 360 crate motor in there, the pistol grip 4-speed in here. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study about 100 pictures, get the price not only on this collector car, but there's a few hundred on there all for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, that way you'll be notified as the videos come out. Right now, let's go for a spin in this rotisserie restored Duster. I just bought a 73 Cuda and this 72 Duster from the same collector. He did the wow, that shuts nice. You guys watch my videos, you know I love that. This car is just tough looking. Look at the stance. The rally wheels are new, so they're immaculate. The tires are new. The body and paint is phenomenal. It's like orange glass. All the gaps are spot on. It's straight. I mean, the body, fit and finish is outstanding. Everything's nice. And again, it's polished out like red glass. There's no cracking, no bubbles. It's got the new decals, the Duster 340, new bumper, new exhaust tips coming out. The tail lights are either new or they're cleaned up like new. It's got the stripe down the side, new reflectors, crystal clear window. The shelf is new. All this stainless trim is polished. It has the pop-out windows, which is cool. New door handles, sport mirrors, new windshield. Now it's a painted sunroof. They weren't glass back then, and there's actually a crank, like a window crank, and it slides forward. I just opened it, and it opened with no problems. It's got the Wedge 340 sticker on the hood. The grille looks new. It's either new or restored. The bumper is chromed. Let me get in the engine compartment here. I said that's a 360. It's a new motor that's in there. Edelbrock high rise, big dual feed Holley carb, MSD ignition, stock exhaust manifolds, new alternator. It's got power steering. The whole engine bay is painted, glossy. All the metal is nice. All the seams, nothing looks wrinkled or schmooged up or anything. All looks like nice, clean metal. This side's just as great as the other side. Door jambs are slick as can be. Bottom of the doors are clean. Of course, the weather strips are new. So the black metal's been painted. The door panels and armrests, upholstery, it's all been replaced. Inside the trunk is all clean. It's all painted orange. Has a new mat. It has the fiberboard panel. The spare goes under there, but the original spares were so skinny you can't fit today's tire in there, so there's no tire. This is painted up, new rubber. It's got retractable seat belts. I'm assuming someone added that. That's more current, which is a nice feature. It's got a new the Sure Grip, not Sure Grip steering wheel. I forget what they call it, but it's got the cushion grip steering wheel. Dash pad looks new. Instrument panel's excellent. It's got speakers in the kick panels. Of course, a pistol grip 4-speed. I love that pistol grip. It's got orange Duster embroidered floor mats. Does have a fender tag. I just got this car. I personally haven't decoded front to back. Go to the website. You'll read all the specs after I study the car. But I can tell you everything's beautiful, runs strong. The whole bottom of the car is painted this gloss orange, all beautiful metal. So the motor, the trans, all that's real clean. The gas tank, all that's been redone. Why don't we fire it up for you? Got a modern stereo. It was originally a factory air-conditioned car, so it has the vents in the controls and the unit under the dash. So if you wanted to put air in the car, I guess you're one step closer already. Both doors shut real nice. Now it's not warmed up, it's like the idle's going up and down a little bit. I mean, it's running fine, but the idle's just fluctuating. Once it warms up, it might get better. If not, our guys will check that out. Gorgeous car. Go see what a rotisserie restoration is going to cost you. It's a lot more than what we're asking for this thing, and it's got the look. And the factory sunroof, that's a great conversation piece. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. They'll help answer any questions or concerns you have about the car, the process, the financing, the delivery. Let us help you with all of that. If you enjoyed the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell notification, you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.